Alright, now I'm about to pump it for real, still in one hand. But yeah, you see. They all 10mm. All we gonna be using is these springs and spacers right there. Left side, white, red plain, white plain, 2 spacers. Clean it up. Now we're gonna take alright, you pull them up. Okay, it's the setup. White, red, plain, spacer on top, that would be that one. Then you got the 2 spacers at the bottom, that would be those 2, they're gonna go in the spring. And then on this side you got white, plain, spacer at the bottom. And they're gonna be going on that and there. See, that's the white, red, and that's the plain one. Space in the middle, rod in the middle. Then we're gonna put this on top and 1 more spacer. So that's gonna go like that. I'm gonna put some transmission fluid in here though first. I gotta see if them O-rings in there. They're a little hard, the ones that go around that piston. I'll be ready to go back. We're gonna add a couple of them. One on the filter, another one over there.